What a beautiful day to go out shopping and take a nap. I'm going to get a new purse.
That's what you think.
Don't worry, Miss Melvin can help you. Miss Melvin, can you help me? An evil witch trapped me inside of this box. Sure, give me a minute. Let me help you get out. And done. Thank you. Now I can go and get my new bag. Hey, I can help you with that too. To make a bag, cut a small rectangular piece of foam. Cut 2 additional pieces for the sides and 1 long strip for the handle. Fold the foam slightly and apply glue to the rim. Then glue onto another piece of foam. Cut and repeat for the other side. Glue on the handle. And decorate using tiny pieces of plastic gems or stickers. You can also decorate further by using bows, flowers, hearts, or whatever you want. I made 3 purses for you, Barbie. They're beautiful. Thank you. Barbie, would you also like a new dress and shoes to go with the purse? Yes! Here's your dress. Let's put on your shoes. And finally, your purse. What do you think? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Thanks for everything. Bye-bye. And now, I'll go and take a nap.